guys, it's Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and today I got the Sew Sampler box. I can't wait to see what's inside. I know there were several other YouTubers who already received their boxes. I've been trying really hard not to watch their videos so that I don't get any spoilers. Let's see. First it says Summer Soiree. And it looks like the coupons are a 20% off June Taylor products. That's not so bad. I'm trying to remember if I've got any June Taylor products that I use. Not sure if I do or not. 15% off Summer Memories. Okay, so it's a quilting book. And doesn't say on the picture how many patterns are included in that book. That's one thing I usually look for in quilting books is how many patterns it comes with, because it's nice when you get several. Okay, so first thing is this, which is Magnafinger's magnetic pickup tool with easy release. Huh, okay. So it's for picking, whenever you drop your pins on the floor and you're trying to pick them all up, it'll help you pick them up. But I guess it has some kind of a release mechanism. We're going to have to review that one. Test it out. Let's see what else. We've got Flag Day Tumbler template. Ooh, I wonder if this is going to be our pattern. I like that. That's pretty. Ooh, why is that so dirty? Look at that. Felt like my hands weren't dirty before I started. I don't know what happened. Maybe the box, maybe the outside of the box had stuff on it. So this is the picture with the tumbler pattern, or the tumbler template. And then this is the template itself. Let me move that out of the way so you can see better. It says Flag Day Tumbler template on it. And then it has the instructions of how to use it on the back of that little slip. I like that Flag Day quilt. I wonder if that's the one. No, that's not the one that we get the discount on. That would have been cool though, because I like that. Ooh, okay. Strippy zipper pouch kit. This is going to be perfect for back to school stuff. I think I might have to do a tutorial on this one. This is really cool. That'll be perfect for back to school. It looks like it comes with some kind of stabilizer right here, so it'll be a nice structured pouch. And it's just a little boxed pouch that'll work for holding pencils and other writing and stationery goodies. I'm sure the kids will really enjoy that. I might have to dig into my scraps for that one and see how many I can make. Although I'll probably have to buy more of the fusible so that they'll all have that structured feel. I moved the fabric out of the way so we can save it till the end, but it came with a little jolly bar thing. And I think this is a pattern. Actually, I like that. It's got a little star pattern right there. And I think that it's a very basic pattern, so it doesn't take a whole lot of, there's not a whole lot of instructions here. I think that jolly bars are supposed to come with a pattern anytime you buy them. So, wow, we got a lot of patterns. Okay, so we also have this fruit punch pattern. Hopefully you can see that. And it makes a 36.5 by 36.5 quilt. And it looks like this is, I was right, it is using the tumbler, but it's not the flag quilt. Oh my gosh, I can't pick up the tumbler template. It does use this, but it does not come with, it does not make, well, you can use it to make the flag quilt, I think. Yeah. But this is what we are using it for, is instead this pattern. So it'll do double duty. And then we have our block of the month, which is the pressed flowers block of the month, and it is Lily of the Valley. I am just loving all of these block of the months from Sewsampler this year. They are so pretty. It might have something to do with it being pinks and creams, but I don't know. I also like the fact that it's flowers. It's perfect. Okay, so then we have, okay, first, before we get into the fabric, I just have to say 4 patterns in this box this month. That seems like a lot. I don't think I've ever gotten any box, Sewsampler or otherwise, that came with 4 patterns. And I realize this one is just a single block, but still, if you don't want to count that one, then it's 3 patterns, and that's a lot. Okay, so now we have the Jolly Bar. Yay, fabric. And oops, there she is. There's the designer. So the fabric line is called Berry Basket, and it's by April Rosenthal. Oh, wow, I love it. Flowers with these bright, beautiful reds, pinks, blues. So pretty. And let's see. We've got a tone on tone. And you can kind of see the other fabric behind it. That's, ignore that part. Let's see. Trying to struggle with it to get it to flip right. That one's really pretty. Very classic looking with the spots behind it. Oh, same one. Ooh, berries. I should have known. I mean, it's called Berry Basket. It has to have berries in it, right? Oh, I love it. I'm trying to skip over the doubles, the duplicates. We've got this one, kind of like a honeycomb grid. There's another one with that spotted background. And the sky, another colorway of our berries. And some vinies. Got some little daisy type flowers. Another gingham. Can't think of the name. Plaid. Some more sweet daisies. Another honeycomb kind of style. And berries again. This is more of that viney one. Oh, I like the red colorway. That's pretty. Not sure which one I like better. This is so pretty. Such a nice line. Almost skipped that one. Oh, look at it in blue. I love large florals like this. That is right up my alley. And of course, you know I love anything with berries and fruit on it. And there's another one of that same print. My arms are getting tired going through all of these. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of them. This is a large line. You know, I really like that some of the designers put out such large lines, like Corey Yoder and try and think of some of the others. Fig Tree and Co. And who else do we have that puts out really large lines? Lori Holt. She does a lot of really large lines. I just think that's fabulous. Whenever there's a really large line like that, there's so many different fabrics to pick from. And I don't think I can get that back in there. I'm going to have to put it in like a Ziploc or something, keep it together. But I love those large lines like that. There's something for everybody. And if you don't like one particular fabric, you can leave it out of your quilt and use it for, I don't know, the inside of a zippy pouch or something that you know, you can still get use out of the fabric, or maybe pass it along to somebody else in your quilt guild or a family member who sews, or maybe do a giveaway. By the way, this is a really cute pattern. Not necessarily my favorite style. And I was thinking, if I don't plan to use something, maybe I can start putting together some items to do a giveaway with. We are starting to get close to that 1,000 subscriber mark. At least in my mind, we are. So I think once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I am going to do a giveaway. But in the meantime, I'm going to start putting stuff aside as I get it to go into that giveaway. Look forward to that. And if you aren't subscribed, make sure that you do subscribe so that we'll get there that little bit faster. Oh, and of course, I'll have to make it a requirement that you've got to be a subscriber in order to participate. But yes, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.